eBooks may be available as a standalone product launched directly from within your user account, or may be launched from within your Navigate course by clicking on an eBook chapter link. To open the eBook within a Navigate course, launch your course and click on a chapter for which you want to open the eBook. Next, click on the eBook link displayed as part of the chapter's resources. Clicking the eBook chapter will load the first page of the selected chapter in a new tab in your web browser. If this is your first time opening the eBook, take a moment to explore and learn about the features available using the Tour overlay. The Settings button in the top right provides you with the option to expand or reduce text size to suit your reading preference. To toggle the text size, click and drag the button on the scale left or right while viewing the text size in the preview section provided. Then click Save to apply the adjusted size. The Print button may be used to print the desired pages of the chapter section you are viewing. The Bookmark button is a tool used to save a reference point on the page, providing you with a quick link to return to the exact location that was chosen. To create a bookmark, click the Bookmark button first, and then click on the desired location of the page to apply it. Next, click the Sync button at the top right of the page to save your progress. The Listen button will enable the eBook screen reader and highlight text as it is read aloud. The reading may be paused at any time using the text-to-speech toolbar displayed at the top of the page. The pointer button within the toolbar may be selected and then used to click on a specific sentence for it to be read aloud. Use the arrow buttons to the left and right of the page to navigate from page to page. Alternatively, you may also use the scroll bar at the bottom of the page to jump to any desired section of the eBook and refer to it as an indicator of your progress. As you read, you may encounter underlined glossary terms within the text, which may be clicked on to view their definition in the resulting pop-up window. Highlighting any section of text with your cursor will open an Annotation Toolbar, which may be used to highlight eBook text or create either written or recorded audio notes. Upon leaving a note, the selected text will highlight in gray, in addition to displaying a notation icon at the beginning of the section, which indicates a note is available to review for the highlighted text. A note icon at the bottom of the left-hand toolbar will reveal the presence and number of notes created on a given page. After creating annotations and before closing the eBook, it is important to click the Sync button at the top right of the page to ensure all changes are saved for your next session. All supporting media resources, including images, videos, animations, and audio, are embedded in line with the text where applicable and may be launched or played with a click of your mouse. Concluding chapter sections in select titles are knowledge check questions, which can be used to self-evaluate reading comprehension. Knowledge checks are not graded and may be attempted an unlimited number of times. Concluding each chapter in select titles is a comprehensive eBook quiz, which allows 5 attempts total, the highest of which will report to the Navigate gradebook. The left side of the page hosts additional navigation tools, including a search option, which may be used to locate key terms found in the eBook text, enrichments, user annotations, or quizzes. Under the Contents tab, you may use the interactive Table of Contents to jump to any section of the eBook. You will also find other subtabs here, cataloging your bookmarks, eBook enrichments such as videos and animations, and assessments where applicable. The My Stuff tab provides a catalog of all your annotations, including all highlights and notes taken. These may be browsed and clicked on to jump directly to them. You may also delete or edit your annotations from this tab as needed. All annotations can be exported to an external document by clicking the Export button within the My Stuff tab. The file can be saved to your computer and printed if desired. As an instructor, you have the capability of creating notes and sharing them with your students so that they display in your students' ebooks. To do this, you must first create at least one ebook group using the Manage eBook Groups tool found within the course's teaching tools. After launching the Manage eBook Groups tool, click the Create Group button in the top right of the page. Enter in the name of your choosing for the group and click Submit. The created group will now display on your page, where you must click the Edit option to its right to begin adding members. On the Edit page, click the Add Members button to the right. Proceed by selecting all individuals with whom you would like to share ebook notes within the resulting pop-up window. When finished, click Done. As you create notes in your ebook, you may now share them individually by clicking on the note to open it and then selecting the Share button to the bottom right of the note window. Select the user group or groups with which to share the note from the Select Groups menu and click Apply. The individuals within the group will now see your selected note available in their ebooks.